Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It pushed a bit higher yesterday. It pushed out of the corrective price channel. It's actually a good sign. Has some bullish implications, but not enough for us to say that this corrective move to the downside here, for example, this wave 2 is actually finished. We have the situation. Let me zoom in again. Before we do that, I'm gonna move the waves. So breaking out of such a corrective price channel, that's always something, let's say, positive for continuation of an uptrend. It has some bullish implications, but in this case, it's not enough to say that the correction is over. If I zoom in a bit, you see that. So the idea was that we rallied in 5 waves of the 3rd of April low to the 5th of April high. Yeah? So from there, we came down in a corrective pattern. Wave W done yesterday. The X wave high was also done yesterday, and now we could be coming down in this ABC structure in 3 waves. We talked about that yesterday. That seems to be playing out now. I did highlight that as long as we stay below 1883, this is going to be the view. Okay, everything that happens until then is just noise. So if we go a bit higher, whatever, but it's now starting to get to the point, of course, where there's a potential we could break the X wave high as well, but I really need to see that in order to assume a direct continuation to the upside. And even then, I want to see 5 waves, which I can see, and 3 waves down. Basically, it's always what we want to see. We want to see 5 waves to the upside. At the moment, I really only see 3. So it could be a small WXY here, maybe in an ABC, an ABC. ABC. So it's a complete 3-wave structure nearly. This could become a 5-wave move, but that's what I need to see for confirmation. And then something like that, yeah. This is at the moment my perspective, that I need to see 5 up, 3 down, and a break above 1883 to assume that the low could be in. It could be in because we reached the trend reversal area, right? We reached the minimum that's requirement to complete this wave 2. But from a wave structure point of view, it would look much better with one more dip to the downside. But the B wave is now getting quite strong. It's getting quite sharp. For a double zigzag correction, this B wave is getting, it's retracing quite a lot. If you look at the retracement levels that I can draw, you can see we've reached the 88.7 Fib level. So it could be a flat pattern which is unfolding here. It wouldn't be a double zigzag then, it would be a so-called combination pattern, but it would still be a WXY pattern. So I mean, that might even overshoot to 1898, but then above the 1883 level, probabilities shift quite strongly towards direct breakout. But it's Saturday, I'd be careful. This could even become a triangle, this B wave, you know. So at the moment, it's just a bit of noise here. I wouldn't want to highlight that the move down is over without having that clear confirmation. So at the moment, at present, another low in this C wave is still preferred, unless we rally in 5 waves above 1883. If that happens, I might be able to confirm that to you in the next video or on the Signals channel on Telegram and Discord. After that, better confirmation would be a break above 1918. That's the B wave high and the wave 1 high, which is, if we zoom out, Wednesday's high, and we are basically above all of March's highs. That would be a breakout confirmation that we indeed are in a 3rd wave. At the moment, a breakout is still the preferred scenario as long as we're holding above the $1,800 level down here. So this is the 78.6 Fib level of this move, and an important level to determine our probabilities, where our probabilities sitting. Do probabilities suggest that we get a direct continuation to the upside further, in the 3rd wave, or do we break down? This 1-2 setup is failing, but then we would simply drop into the next support range that goes down to 1717. So at the moment, I'm in favor of a direct breakout as long as we're holding 1800. However, of course, this can play out in various ways. Could take a little while. The B wave could become a triangle. For example, we could see something like that in a B wave, where you have this, and the B wave would actually sit here, and then we get our C wave down. So see, those corrections can always morph into something different, and it's impossible to say, okay, is this going to be a triangle or not? It certainly could be. It's Saturday. You typically see a lot of triangles on Saturday because they represent a balance of forces, and you just often see that sort of indecision on a Saturday. But we'll see. You know, maybe Bitcoin and crypto and Ethereum, they can always surprise. But for me at the moment, there is no change to the wave count necessary. B waves are some of the most difficult waves to forecast. But yeah, let's see. Again, the levels should be well known by now, and it should also be clear that my short-term view is that we can still get another low. Very clearly understand that we don't need another low. We already entered that orange support area there, which means we have fulfilled, let's say, standard support expectations for wave 2, and it could very well move from here. But without a break above 1883, a sustained break, I'm not going to be able to confirm that. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.